Hello friends, my name is Chandan and welcome again at iamchandan.com. Yesterday we have discussed about array. Today we will discuss about objects and classes and methods. So as we know that the Java is a pure object oriented programming language. So it is based on the object and classes. So today we will discuss about three things: object, classes and methods, and then example which will cover these all things in one example. Okay. So objects. So objects are the instance of the classes. If we consider the real world, we can find many objects around us like car, dogs, humans, etc. All these objects have the states and behavior. If we consider a dog, then its states is name, breed, color, and the behavior is barking. And you can say the wagging the tail, running, etc. Okay. So classes. So classes is a blueprint from which individual objects are created. If you will take your university example, suppose that there is a class A, then it is a blueprint for the objects and the students inside it will be known as the objects. Now what are the methods? Methods basically you can say uh, a way to tell the Java how to work. Methods are basically set of code which are used to perform some operation when invoked. Methods can be created with or without return value and invoked with or without parameter. Here we will take an example to create an class, then a method and then object. Okay, let's move on Eclipse. This is yesterday program to create an array, declare array and print the element of the array. If you have not seen my previous tutorial of array, please have a look. So I will create a class. I will get it name at learning nation underscore obj 1, and it will have public static void main and finish. So here we are, we have a class, we have main method, and this is no longer required. So let me create another class. I will give it name class Chandan, and here I will create a method. Public void, because I do not want any return time, that's why I have written here void, and the name of the method will be sum. I want to print two number and both number will be integer. I will be declare both data type and number, int a comma int b. And what I want, whenever this method will be called, what it will do, it will print the sum of two number. So let me write here sum is plus a plus b. Okay, so this is, I have created a method in another class. What it will do, this method sum will take two input as integer, then it will print these two numbers and show you result. Okay, so as we know that our execution start from the main method, so I will create an object. It is very necessary and one should know. I will create the object of my upper class. First of all, I have to write the name of that class like Chandan, because we are creating the object of this class Chandan. I will give the object name, like I have given the object name as object is equal to new Chandan, then bracket. This new operator is used to create the object. Now because this is the object of this class Chandan, So we can access the methods of Chandan class using Chandan class object. So here will be object dot. You will see a lot of suggestion here. So our method is sum. So I will enter here. I will input two number. Let me any two number you can give. I am giving the 3 and 4, and okay, it's done. Now run the program. What we have done, we have created a class, we have created a main method, and here we have created the object of another class, and we have called and we have accessed that method using this object. This example is designed to clear the concept of the object, class and methods. Let's run this program. Okay, the output is here. The sum is 7. The execution is started from main method. Okay, also you can find these all things whatever I have told you in my website, which is, yeah, in my website. If you will search Java object classes method, you will get this result, and here I have given the complete definition, how to create the object, what is the classes, what are the methods, and a very good example how to create the object and access the methods. Okay, thanks for watching.